How to use single name on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, go ahead and tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the settings option from the top right of your screen. Now, go ahead and tap on the See More in Account Center option and further tap on the Profiles option you see there. Now, go ahead and tap on your Facebook name, and now in order to use a single name, go ahead and erase the existing name and further enter the same name as your first name on the last name tab, and finally tap on the Review Change button, and with this, you will have a single name on Facebook. So, this is how you can use single name on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.